The rear foot elevated split squats, also known as the Bulgarian split squat, is an excellent exercise for developing lower body strength, stability, and flexibility, and delivers a lot of carryover into athletic performance. Stand a few feet in front of the bench or box, then place the top of your rear foot on the bench. Your front foot should be flat on the ground with your heel under the knee or slightly behind it depending on your ankle mobility. Ensure your toes are pointing forward and grab the ground with your toes to increase muscle activation and stability in your foot and your leg. Keep your chest up and your shoulders back. Engage your core to maintain a neutral spine throughout the movement. Lower your body by bending the front knee while keeping the back leg extended. Aim to lower your hips until your front thigh is parallel to the ground or slightly below depending on your flexibility. Maintain a good drive of your rear foot to increase muscle activation throughout your whole body, especially when you start to add additional weight in form of dumbbells. Keep your front knee aligned with your foot. Avoid letting your knee collapse inwards and maintain a strong and stable knee position. Push through the heel of your front foot to return to the starting position, and you can squeeze your glutes at the top of the movement for added engagement. Inhale as you lower your body and exhale as you push back up. Core stiffness is one of the most important aspects in this exercise. As you're starting out, you can still hold on to a sturdy object. As you're progressing, just continue to make sure to avoid valgus collapse, so the need to travel inwards, rounding off your upper back or leaning too far forward, and use full range of motion.